Do you wake up feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Does your energy drain by noon, leaving you exhausted for the rest of the day? Here's what most people over 50 don't realize. It's not your age that's stealing your energy. It's what you do or don't do in the first hour after you wake up. Today, I'm sharing 7 simple morning habits that can transform your energy levels and keep you feeling strong and alert all day long. Stay until the end, because habit number 1 takes less than 60 seconds, but it could change how you feel for the next 12 hours. Let's start with habit number 7. Habit number 7 is drinking warm water with lemon as soon as you wake up. After sleeping for 7 or 8 hours, your body is dehydrated. Your cells need water to function properly. Without it, your brain feels foggy, your muscles feel stiff, and your energy stays low. Warm water hydrates you gently and wakes up your digestive system. Adding fresh lemon provides vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps your body absorb nutrients better throughout the day. Lemon also helps flush out toxins that build up overnight, giving your liver a gentle cleanse first thing in the morning. Here's the mistake most people make. They drink cold water or add too much lemon. Cold water shocks your system and slows digestion. Too much lemon can irritate your stomach, especially on an empty stomach. Instead, warm up 1 glass of water until it's comfortably warm, not hot. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into it. Drink it slowly before you eat or drink anything else. Do this every morning for 1 week, and you'll notice you feel more awake, less bloated, and ready to start your day. But hydration is just the beginning. The next habit feeds your body the fuel it needs to keep going. Habit number 6 is eating a protein-rich breakfast within the first hour of waking up. If you skip breakfast or only eat toast and coffee, your energy will crash by mid-morning. That's because your body has been fasting all night and needs fuel to function. Protein gives you steady, long-lasting energy. It stabilizes your blood sugar, keeps you full, and supports your muscles, which naturally get weaker as you age. When you eat protein in the morning, your body uses it to repair tissues, build strength, and maintain focus throughout the day. The common mistake? Eating sugary cereals, pastries, or white bread. These spike your blood sugar fast, then drop it even faster, leaving you tired and hungry again. Instead, eat eggs, plain yogurt, cottage cheese, or a handful of nuts. You can also have a small piece of grilled chicken or fish if you prefer a savory breakfast. Aim for at least 15 to 20 grams of protein. Pair it with a piece of fruit or some vegetables for extra nutrients. This simple habit keeps your energy stable and your mind sharp all morning long. Now, let's talk about movement, because the next habit wakes up your entire body. Habit number 5 is doing 5 minutes of gentle stretching right after you get out of bed. When you sleep, your muscles and joints stiffen up. Blood flow slows down. If you jump straight into your day without moving, your body stays tight and sluggish, and your energy stays low. Stretching increases blood flow, delivers oxygen to your muscles, and wakes up your nervous system. It also reduces morning stiffness and pain, especially in your back, knees, and shoulders. You don't need to do anything intense. Just 5 minutes of simple movements can make a huge difference. Here's what people get wrong. They stretch too hard or too fast and end up hurting themselves, or they skip it completely because they think they don't have time. Instead, do slow, gentle stretches. Reach your arms overhead and stretch your spine. Bend forward gently and touch your toes, or go as far as you can. Roll your shoulders back a few times. Rotate your ankles and wrists. Do each movement slowly and breathe deeply while you stretch. Your body will feel looser, lighter, and more awake. Many people say this habit alone helps them move through their morning without aches and pains. But stretching is only part of the equation. The next habit strengthens your body from the inside.
Habit number 4 is getting 10 minutes of natural sunlight within the first 30 minutes of waking up. Sunlight does something powerful to your body. It tells your brain to stop producing melatonin, the sleep hormone, and start producing serotonin, the hormone that makes you feel awake, happy, and energized. Sunlight also helps your body produce vitamin D, which supports your bones, muscles, immune system, and mood. Without morning sunlight, your internal clock stays confused. You feel tired during the day and wide awake at night. Your energy never balances out. The mistake? People stay indoors all morning, or they look at their phone screens instead of going outside. Artificial light from screens doesn't have the same effect as natural sunlight. Instead, step outside for just 10 minutes. You don't need to exercise or do anything special. Just stand or sit in the sunlight. Let it touch your face and arms. Breathe deeply and enjoy the fresh air. If it's cloudy or winter, still go outside. Even indirect sunlight helps reset your body's rhythm. This simple habit improves your energy, mood, and sleep quality all at once. Now let's talk about something you might not expect, but it's one of the most powerful habits on this list. Habit number 3 is avoiding your phone for the first 30 minutes after you wake up. I know this sounds hard, but hear me out. When you check your phone first thing in the morning, your brain immediately goes into stress mode. You see messages, emails, news, and problems that need solving. Your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which drains your energy and makes you feel anxious. Your mind becomes overwhelmed before your day even starts. Instead, give your brain time to wake up naturally and peacefully. Let your body ease into the day without stress or distractions. Here's what people do wrong. They keep their phone on the nightstand and check it the moment they open their eyes. This habit trains your brain to expect stress first thing every morning. Instead, keep your phone in another room overnight. When you wake up, focus on your morning routine first. Drink your lemon water, stretch, go outside, eat breakfast. After 30 minutes, when your body and mind are calm and awake, then check your phone. This one habit can completely change how you feel throughout the day. You'll notice you're calmer, more focused, and less drained by afternoon. Now we're getting to the top habits. The next one is about giving your body the right fuel at the right time. Habit number 2 is taking a short 10 to 15-minute walk after you finish breakfast. Walking after you eat helps your body digest food better and stabilize your blood sugar. When your blood sugar stays steady, your energy stays steady too. You avoid the mid-morning crash that makes you want to go back to bed. Walking also increases circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Your brain gets more oxygen, so you think more clearly. Your muscles get more blood flow, so they feel stronger and less stiff. The common mistake? People sit down right after eating, or they walk too fast and too hard, which can upset digestion. Instead, eat your breakfast calmly. Wait 5 minutes, then go for a gentle, relaxed walk. You don't need to power walk or exercise hard, just move at a comfortable pace. Walk around your neighborhood, in your yard, or even inside your house if the weather's bad. The key is to keep moving for at least 10 minutes. This simple habit improves digestion, energy, circulation, and mood all at once. And now we've reached habit number 1. This is the simplest, fastest, and most powerful habit of all. Habit number 1 is practicing 2 minutes of deep breathing right after you wake up. Your breath controls your energy. When you breathe shallow and fast, your body stays in stress mode. But when you breathe slowly and deeply, your body relaxes, your mind clears, and your energy flows naturally. Deep breathing increases oxygen in your blood, which fuels every cell in your body. It calms your nervous system, reduces anxiety, and prepares you to handle whatever the day brings. Here's what people do wrong.
They rush through their morning without ever taking a single deep breath, where they breathe from their chest instead of their belly, which doesn't bring in enough oxygen. Instead, sit comfortably or stand with your eyes closed. Place one hand on your belly. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts, feeling your belly rise. Hold for 2 counts. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth for 6 counts, feeling your belly fall. Repeat this for just 2 minutes. That's only 10 to 12 breaths, but those 2 minutes reset your entire nervous system and fill your body with fresh energy. Many people say this habit alone makes them feel calmer, clearer, and more energized than any cup of coffee ever could.
Let's recap the 7 morning habits that boost your energy all day. Habit 7. Drink warm water with lemon to hydrate and cleanse. Habit 6. Eat a protein-rich breakfast for steady energy. Habit 5. Do 5 minutes of gentle stretching to wake up your body. Habit 4. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight to reset your internal clock. Habit 3. Avoid your phone for 30 minutes to reduce stress. Habit 2. Take a short walk after breakfast to stabilize blood sugar. Habit 1. Practice 2 minutes of deep breathing to calm your mind and energize your body. You don't need all 7 habits at once. Start with just 1 or 2. Build them into your morning slowly. Within a week or 2, you'll notice you have more energy, less pain, and a clearer mind that lasts all day. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day. Make them count. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 habits are you going to try tomorrow morning? Are you already doing any of them? Let me know in the comments below. If this video gave you hope and practical steps you can actually use, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs more energy in their life. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple, natural health tips made especially for people over 50. Start tomorrow morning strong. Your body will thank you. See you in the next video.